Now we will talk about principles and functions of environmental law. On the basis of what we actually develop our laws. So, in general, we have three main principles on the basis of which we are having our laws, and that's the way how we actually regulate our different environmental conditions. That's how we control the pollution load, that's how we control the emissions in the air, and that's how we deal with the toxic substances. So actually there are three major ones, starting with the principle of prevention, polluter pay principle, and principle of cooperation. Starting with the first one, that's principle prevention. It is in the form that we are not only focusing on the treatment of wastewater, disposal of solid waste, or dealing with the emissions at the stake of our industries, but we are actually dealing with the prevention. In this case, we have some rules and regulations which will be dealing with the preventions, how much we are actually involved in taking those measures which will help in reducing the content of pollution in our environment. Once the pollution is disposed or emitted in our environment, it is not going to get rid of, so it will sustain within the system in one form or the other. We have some disposal from the industries, we dispose it into the drains, from drains we dispose it into the treatment plants, and then from treatment plants we separate it from the water and we dispose it in the landfills. But we are just changing the forms, we are transforming the waste, we are not actually completely getting rid of the waste or pollution. So it is just shifting from one form to the other, one place to the other. So earlier it was in the industries, now it is in the landfill. It is still within the system. So what's the target? The target is to reduce this quantification, to reduce this pollution load. How we can do this? We can do this